Asterisk unlocking success. How agencies secure 5 to 50 clients per month with 100% guaranteed results. In the competitive landscape of business, agencies constantly seek innovative strategies to attract clients and expand their clientele. Amidst this quest for success, one agency stands out, offering a compelling promise: 5 to 50 clients per month with a 100% guarantee. But what sets them apart? Let's delve into the strategies and insights behind their unparalleled success. Understanding the agency approach. This agency success is rooted in a multifaceted approach that combines cutting-edge marketing techniques with a deep understanding of client needs. Here's how they do it. 1. Tailored marketing campaigns. Instead of adopting a one-size-fits-all approach, the agency crafts tailored marketing campaigns for each client. By understanding the unique challenges and objectives of every business, they create targeted strategies that resonate with their target audience. 2. Data-driven insights. Leveraging the power of data analytics, the agency mines valuable insights to optimize campaign performance continually. From identifying emerging trends to refining audience segmentation, data-driven decision-making ensures maximum ROI for their clients. 3. Strategic partnerships. Collaborating with complementary businesses and influencers amplifies the agency reach and credibility. Strategic partnerships open doors to new opportunities, allowing the agency to tap into untapped markets and expand its client base exponentially. 4. Transparent communication. Building trust is paramount in client relationships. The agency prioritizes transparent communication, keeping clients informed every step of the way. By fostering open dialogue and providing regular progress updates, they instill confidence and loyalty in their clients. 5. Performance-based guarantee. Perhaps the most enticing aspect of their offering is the performance-based guarantee. Unlike traditional agencies that make vague promises, this agency puts its money where its mouth is. With a commitment to delivering results, they offer a guarantee of 5 to 50 clients per month, backed by a proven track record of success. Free consultation, breaking down barriers. To further remove barriers to entry, the agency offers free consultations to prospective clients. This allows businesses to explore their services without any financial commitment, providing a risk-free opportunity to assess the agency capabilities in alignment with their goals. Additional fee consultation, investing in success. While the initial consultation is complimentary, the agency also offers additional fee-based consultations for clients seeking more in-depth analysis and personalized recommendations. These consultations delve deeper into the client's specific needs, offering tailored solutions and strategic guidance to drive sustainable growth. Contact us today. Ready to unlock your business's full potential? Contact the agency today at +91 9864 170343 and 9,864,855,058 to schedule your free consultation and take the first step towards achieving your goals. With a proven track record of success and a commitment to excellence, this agency is your trusted partner in driving tangible results and realizing your vision for success. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
Thanks for watching. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूँ। धन्यवाद।